यानी कि वो डायरेक्टर जिसने पहले ही बॉल में छक्का मारा है. And the award goes to Rega Azad Kaya for the film When the Seedlings Grow. A tale which succeeds in showing us a day in the life of a father, daughter, and a lost boy through a succession of small events. An intimate story of the characters as well as a country and its traumas. Let's take a look at the winner clip.
مردگی جو حالته؟
بله حالته بدی. خواهر 48 دلار حالت نزن. ناویدای باقی تشنه.
نمیشه دکتر شده. نمی‌کن در کاتم.
طبیعت دا. مره نینا جیان هر بردوام.
A round of applause, ladies and gentlemen. Unfortunately, he couldn't be present here today. Nonetheless, congratulations to Rega Azad Kaya for the award. इफ़ी अब उस एक्टर को सम्मानित करने जा रहा है जिसने सिर्फ किरदारों को ही नहीं बल्कि इमोशन का आर्किटेक्ट बनकर उस रोल को ऐतिहासिक बनाया है. The award for the best actor male goes to Poria Rahmi Sam for the film Endless Borders. A round of applause for Mr. Poria Rahmi Sam for showing us the richness of acting and interacting with his partners, children and adults in challenging shooting conditions. Can we have the winner clip, please?
بچه‌ها همه ساکت می‌خوام یه چیزی بهتون بگم.
فقط کافیه یه نفر شما رو با هم ببینه. جنگ میشه.
چرا برای شکاف کردین؟
چیکار داری می‌کنی؟ نزنش! بابا! اینجوری ولش کن! برادر همزمان
Unfortunately, the winner could not be present today, but congratulations for the award. Big round of applause for the winner, here or not. हमारा अगला अवार्ड ऐसी अदाकारा के लिए है जिसकी आर्टिस्ट्री ने हमारे सिनेमैटिक एक्सपीरियंस को बढ़ाया है और जिसका परफॉर्मेंस क्रेडिट रोल्स खत्म हो जाने के बाद भी हमारे दिलों में बसा रह गया है. Our next award is for Best Actor Female. Ladies and gentlemen, put your hands together for the winner, Melanie Thierry, for the film Party of Fools. An actress whose range of expressions gives us, with subtlety, all the emotions from hope to despair encountered in her character's crazy journey. Can we have the winner clip, please? And to present this award, may I please invite Honorable Chief Minister of Goa, Dr. Pramod Sawant, French film producer, jury member Jerome Paya, and the mesmerizing voice of India, Hari Haranji, to please come on stage. May I please request Ms. Juliette Gramont from Institut Francis to please accept the award on behalf of Melanie Thierry. big thank you for accepting the award. Honorable Minister, please stay back on stage. We need you for a few more awards. Thank you, gentlemen, for doing the honors. Yes, thank you very much. May I now invite on stage renowned Spanish cinematographer José Luis Alcaine, French film producer, jury member, and the charismatic actor and the poster boy of iconic dialogues, Ravi Kishan, to give away the next award. I believe Mr. Ravi Kishan is not with us yet. अगला अवार्ड उस स्पेशल सिनेमा एक्सपर्ट को दिया जाएगा जिन्होंने जूरी के दिल को छुआ है और सिनेमा की दुनिया में एक खास कंट्रीब्यूशन दिया है. It's time now to announce the special jury award, and the award goes to Rishabh Shetty for the film Kantara. The award goes to the director for his ability to put across a very important story. The film, though rooted in its own culture of forest demons, reaches out to audiences regardless of cultural and social status. Can we have the winner clip, please?
ಊರಲ್ಲಿ ಒಬ್ಬ ರಾಜ ಇದ್ದಂತೆ. ನಿಮಗೂ ಫಾರೆಸ್ಟ್ ಆಫೀಸರ್ ಇರುವ ಜಗಳ ಇಡೀ ಊರಿಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತುಂಟು. ಮಾಡ್ರಿ ಕೇಸ್ ಮಾರೆ.
Thank you for doing the honors. Dr. Sawant, I still need you on stage for a little while longer. And now I'd like to invite on stage the pride of cinema worldwide, Turkish director who's known for his bold, innovative and independent filmmaking. Please welcome Nuri Çelan, Australian film producer, jury member Helen Leek, and Miss India 2007, one of India's most stylish actresses, Isha Gupta, to give away the next award. And now, ladies and gentlemen, it's time to honor the captain of the ship, जिनसे पूछे बिना एक पत्ता भी set पे नहीं हिलता. The award for the best director this year goes to Stefan Komandarev for the film Blaga's Lessons. Stefan Komandarev tells a powerful and shocking lesson through the character of a woman who has decided to achieve her goals and in doing so compromises her values. The film is wonderfully embodied by a great artist, Ms. Elise Skorcheva. Can we have the winner clip, please?
Какъв е смисъл? Ало? Дойдох за парите.
Какви пари?
И той ми каза да хвърля парите през прозореца.
Имаме свидетел.
Unfortunately, the director of the film could not be present, but we have Ellie Skorcheva, lead actress, Blaga's Lessons, and Rosalia Abgarian, actress, Blaga's Lessons, to accept the award on behalf of Stefan Komandarev. Ladies, thank you very much for accepting the award on behalf of your director, and thank you to our dignitaries for doing the honors. Thank you very much. Thank you, Dr. Sawant. Thank you very much, Honorable Minister. अब हमारे सबसे शानदार and the much coveted Golden Peacock Award को announce करने की बारी है. Ladies and gentlemen, it's time to present the award for the best film, IFFI, and the award goes to Endless Borders, director Abbas Amini, producers Kaveh Farnam, Farzad Pak. Crossing borders is about how complicated physical borders might be, yet nothing can be more complicated than the emotional and moral borders that you impose upon yourself. Film festivals, after all, are about crossing borders, and in the case of this film, the director has crossed political borders at the cost of his own freedom. Can we have the winner clip, please?
جنگ بی جنگ کنم میرا وين نفهم
تعصبایی یا پشت و هزار نمیشناسیم.
آسیم چی میشه؟ چه برای سرش میاد؟
Ladies and gentlemen, a big round of applause. This is a very special film. Unfortunately, the winner could not be here today, but congratulations. The award carries the prestigious Golden Peacock, a certificate and a cash prize of 40 lakh rupees. That's a big one. Ladies and gentlemen, this year we received a record-breaking number of entries for IFFI, and the competition was more exciting than ever. Hence, I would now like to invite the chairman of the international jury, the pride of India, the eminent filmmaker who was nominated for the Oscars, the man who gave us Mr. India, Bandit Queen, and many other exemplary films. Please give it up for Mr. Shekhar Kapoor.
My God, there's so many people here. All right. Hello, everyone. You know, as head of the jury, what everybody asks me is, did you take the films really seriously? Did you all agree on everything? And I have one answer to that. If two creative people agree creatively on everything, then one of them is lying. One of them is not telling the truth. Of course we didn't agree. Of course no creative people agree with each other. But that's the job of a jury. The jury, what they do is sit down, argue, and say, no, you're wrong, and become enemies. And by the end of the day, we become friends again and start all over again the next day. So we take every film seriously because, as Michael knows, it's so difficult to make a film, right? You have a script. Nobody wants to listen to your script. Then you get someone to listen to your script, and then you say, where's the money going to come from? And then you find the money, and then there's a studio head saying, no, something else. And you work for years to try and get a film made. So every film that we saw deserves all of attention. And my jury members, thank you so much for bearing with me. Thank you so much for all the hard work. Thank you. You know, Hi, Goa. So film's important. Why is a film festival important? In the context of what's happening in the world right now, with the amazing conflicts that are going on, with the wars at all our borders going on, it's very important to tell our stories. We have to tell the story because our stories are who we are. And if we tell our stories to people and people listen to each other's stories across borders, across everywhere, then we'll understand each other because stories are fundamentally about being human. And films fundamentally, ultimately, all stories about who you are, what your culture is, who are you as a human being. And so being human is the most fundamental aspect of all art. And there is nothing that you can do without understanding who you are. I remember when I made Elizabeth and I said, hang on, I'm Indian, why am I making a film about this great British queen? And I went to Kate Blanchett and I said, Kate, there's only one way to make the film. Let's find out who the human being was beneath the character. Find the human being under every story. Share your stories. And that's why film festivals are important. That's why we all have to share our stories, especially with what's happening in the world now. So, Pramod Sawantji, thank you. Thank you for hosting this great festival. I remember when we first started this festival to say, it's Goa, nobody's going to come films. Just look around yourself. Thank you, Goa. You are the guys. Goa makes this festival go. Thank you, Michael. Thank you, Catherine. Thank you for coming here. It's all my love to all of you. Thank you.
Thank you, sir, for sharing your thoughts. Huge round of applause for a gentleman we are also very, very proud of. और अब नेक्स्ट ऑनर को इंट्रोड्यूस करने के लिए इंडिया के उस ब्रिलियंट एक्टर को मैं स्टेज पर बुलाना चाहूंगी who is an epitome of path-breaking performances and next-level cinema. His versatility, his relatability, his popularity soars with each and every passing moment. Ladies and gentlemen, please welcome one of India's most loved stars, National Award-winning actor Ayushmann Khurrana. Welcome. However you want to do it. Center stage, podium, whatever works for you.
Where's Andre and where's the bus? I'm waiting for my cue. I think I should be center stage.
All right, go for it.
Someone once asked me, what is the most expensive thing in this world? I replied, honor. Because one cannot buy honor with money. लाख कोशिश करके भी आप सच्चा सम्मान कभी नहीं पा सकते, कभी खरीद नहीं सकते, लेकिन जिनके पास काबिलियत है उनका सम्मान हर जगह होता है. Those who are worthy, who are qualified, who are capable will be honored everywhere. And that's why this genius of cinema is being celebrated and honored all across the world. यहाँ पर उपस्थित सभी महानुभावों, the IFFI Satyajit Ray Lifetime Achievement Award honors the recipient's outstanding contribution to the growth and development of world cinema. And what should I say about this man? People read books in order to gain knowledge. Actors like me read him to know about acting. A phenomenon in the world of cinema, American-born but loved by the world, Michael Douglas.